Should be Geneva 479.
Just 70 minutes worth of train riding.
Well, you could turn that off. You can turn the screen off, can't you?
Yeah, just by closing it.
Save some power. Just walk in there and set it up there. Cover the little button over. The light button.
Yep.
Just set it on the... Actually, I know right where you can set it. That works real good.
I'm gonna be getting one of those as soon as I get home. My problem's always I shake. You know how I told you I shake so bad. I can't take good video.
Well, that's what the tripods are for. Looks like it's working pretty good.
Yeah.
Are you zoomed all the way out? It's got a pretty good wide. I don't know if you can see the mountains on top or not. Oh, check out the old church.
So I'm gonna tip it up.
That's a cool looking old church.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at that. That is a great. I'm sure we'll see more.
It's still a missed opportunity.
You know what I consider a missed opportunity? Just a reason to come back again.
Yeah, the trees are giving me a hard time.
Yeah, I would imagine they would. Yeah, I can pick up the top of the mountain even. See, my speakers are picking up my voice.
Yeah, the trees are giving me a very hard time. Trees look cool though. That's a cool looking bridge, man.
Yes, it is. That's a really cool bridge. Oh, here you got a clear chance. Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
God, it's got such a quick reaction time.
That's what I like about that solar. See, the little lens I've got here is even faster, but it's a fixed focal length.
Okay.
The f-stop on this
Oh.
28 millimeter, but the f-stop is like 1.8.
So it can really capture, it do it quick.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can tell by this that. See how
Oh.
big this is in the back?
Oh, wow.
Lets a lot of light through.
Sure does.
Yeah.
Wow. And that's magnesium, you said, right?
No, this is my case is magnesium,
Okay.
stainless steel rings.
Okay.
The
Look back there.
a
Pass.
lot of what's different to that is the Rebels have plastic
Really?
cases, and you pull that lens ring right out.
I did not know that.
That's cool looking.
Yeah, it is. My white balance is a little off. It's too saturated.
We get you over to the hotel. I think I'm just gonna go out to the airport and drop my bags.
Put them in a locker.
Yeah.
I was gonna say to you, just want to put the stuff in whatever room I get or wherever I go.
That's not far from where we need to be anyway, so we should really be over there by about 2 o'clock and then do all that. Sorry, it's
It's only, what, 10?
10, 14, yeah. Better off to show up early.
I should be videotaping over there. There's no wires.
No trees and stuff. Wow. That ought to look good, man.
It's just flying by. That's really pretty. I'd like to see that too.
What do they call this? The IR, the inner radius?
Inner radio.
Inner radio. It's moving pretty fast.
Yeah, we're clipping.
Oh, that's cool looking.
That is cool. Now I've got glare from the other side.
Yeah, well, you're shooting into the sun on that side. You're better off doing this. Oh, you can see it.
Yeah.
So that's where it polarizes lines. You don't have a polarizing lens on it, do you?
I do have a polarizer.
That'll cut all that. Best time of the day is to use a polarizing lens or 10 and 2. When the light, the sun's at the right angles for you.
I have a polarizer. I forgot about it.
It should cut that glare. I forgot to bring mine. Yeah, I haven't been this way. This is, I think you come out of the tunnel a bit.
It's UV and a polarizer.
Yeah, you don't need a UV.
But the UV doesn't cause any problems.
You know why they sell you the UVs?
It just strictly as a scratch preventer.
Yeah, but they sell them to you because that's where they make their money.
I got this for $3 off the internet.
The UV adds another f-stop to the film's problem. You already add
That's
more.
nice.
Wow. Sure you want to sit on this side?
The other side's pretty good.
Sit right here. Probably turn it off here in the tunnels, though. As soon as you turn it off, the time to turn it back on.
Yeah.
Is
Not
that
worried.
dude edits your video for you?
Do what?
The guy edits your video
Yeah.
for you?
Anything I videotape, he edits for me.
Yeah, so already back out again. Well, that's cool.
So I captured that little, that cool bridge.
You can see yourself in there. Hello.
But I'm fuzzy because it's a reflection. There's my hand, and that's much better.
Catching two reflections.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do a little sightseeing today. And then it's not a very big camera. It's a Canon.
Yeah. It's refurb actually. It's $900 regular,
Some of them you
$9.99.
could run these lenses on.
It's only got a standard 58 millimeter ring on it, so it doesn't have a latching ring like that.
Some of the other ones do.
Some of the bigger ones do. The ones that you would put on your shoulder
Yeah, I could put the whole 100 to 400 on there.
really reach out.
Whoa. Little vineyard there.
That's pretty over there.
Back up now. Yeah, so you're not catching your reflection anymore.
Prochain arrêt, Sierre. Nächster Halt, Sieders.
That's right.
There comes and goes.
Oh, that's beautiful. Three towers back there. Looks like see that straight?
Yeah.
Clear shot. I got the trees up in it. Murphy's. She's moving.